call, text, call, text, call. Tama? Okay? Ulit-ulit ang isang bagay, nagiging routine. At nagiging routine, it becomes boring. What you do on a consistent basis, what you do as a habit and you never change it, it becomes boring. And when it's boring, you will never grow. Company who invented the cell phone and put text call, na they were so confident that they will never go down sa business kasi their business is doing well. But as a competitor, they were doing well. They were doing well for like more than a decade. But the thing is, it gets boring. You do something too long, the same thing too long, it becomes boring. Then comes in Steve Jobs. Now, we have a phone that has a lot of functions. It's not just for text, it's not just for call. You can check the internet, you can email people, you can chat with people. It has applications that can help us go from one place to another. That is change, guys. Change is also about innovation. Change is about improving. Change is about growth. Everybody, repeat after me. Change is better.
Change is better.
Change is good for me.
Change is good for me.
Change will make me happy.
Change will make me happy.
Change is about improving my life.
Change is about
embrace change because change is good for you. Change is about growth and change is equal to happiness. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.